5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 40, flat 2 right in, 100, flat 1 left, 80, 3 left in, slippy okay, and 1 right, 60, long 1 right, continues into small crest and 4 left in past junction, okay, into very long 1 right, tightens to slow 2 right, only 40, 6 left in past junction, send it, 60, short 6 left in, and very long flat 1 right over crest, 60 down, 4 left in, 4 right in, opens to long flat 2 right, 40, 2 left in-ish, flat 80, slowing into 2 left, sudden 6 right, slowing into 2 left, sudden 6 right, and flat 2 left, 200 down, slowing, long hairpin right down, nips, narrow exit, 100, easy 2 left over crest, and slow 6 right, into 8 left, sudden hairpin left, narrow exit through the bales, tidy.
Give us that again.
8 left to hairpin left, through the bales, tidy. 100, long hairpin right, nips, narrow exit.
Oh, fuck.
100, flat 2 right at the shed, 40, 2 right, into small crest okay, and 3 left, and right on crest, into 3 left, opens to flat 2 left, and left on crest, 45 right, 80, 1 right, flat over small crest, 150 up, care, 6 right over crest, slippy in maybe, beat 6 right over crest, slippy in maybe, 100, late 5 left, 40, long flat crest, and 1 left, 100, 2 left over crest, and easy 2 right into crest, and 5 left okay. Beat crest, 5 left okay, and flat 1 right over small crest, 100, 2 right, into crest, 3 left, don't cut, and 4 left, into slowing short, 6 right in over crest, and long flat 2 right, 100, very short, 6 left narrows, 60 through the dip, 3 left okay, 150, small crest, slowing, only 40, turn 9 left, be only 40 from the crest, turn 9 left, and 4 right, 60, turn hairpin left, use the exit, into, long flat 2 right, and flat 1 left over crest, 250, 4 left over crest, slippy, repeat 4 left over crest, slippy, into long 4 right nips, and small flat crest, 60, 2 right, only 80 down, loose, short 8 right, logging.
This one?
Yeah, 8 right. Opens the very long 4 right in, into 5 right, 80, slowing down, 9 left, don't cut. Opens to flat long 1 left, 130 up, 1 right over jump okay, 60, 1 left in over crest, and watch it now, slowing caution, long 2 right, tightens to late 8 right, watch it, repeat 2 right, tightens to late 8 right, come right back, going in there, we're going in there, 60, loose continues, short 8 right in, short 8 right in, 40, hold 9 left, and 4 left in, 4 right, flat 2 left in, 60, flat 2 left over small crest, 60, 2 right in over jump, okay, and flat 1 left over crest, into watch it, long 2 right, continues for 100, tightens to 6 right, very slippy, gonna tighten to a 6, in there, 150 up mid, push it now, long flat 1 right, 150, right on flat crest, 1 left, 170, enter left, right, left chicane. Booking 230, flat crest, 100, caution, slowing into 2 right, and turn late 9 left down. Slowing into 2 right, and turn late 9 left down. 60. Flat 1 left over crest, 130, 3 left, slippy, and right on crest, and 2 left into long 2 right, into slowing, danger crest, 6 right, slippy, into 4 left and turn tidy exit, hairpin right, 60, long 2 right, tightens to hold 6 right down, and long 8 left, into 5 right, and long 4 right in over crest, into very long 6 left hold, and 4 right, opens to very long flat 2 right, continues into small flat crest, and flat 1 left over crest, 80, 2 right narrows, 60, long 4 left, and slowing, late 8 right. Beat long 4 left, slowing, late 8 right. 40, 2 left, into a long 2 right, okay. 40, long 5 left, 150, narrow 5 right, repeat 150, narrow 5 right, mid over 170.
Oh, you're on that previous left.
Yep, deceptive hairpin left ahead, brake before the second small crest, unseen hairpin left up, at the tape. Opens to 2 left, 130 over crest, 5 right, and slowing into 1 left over crest, and long 8 left, repeat long 8 left, and long 8 right, continues, hold, into 8 right again, 60, flat 2 right in over jump, and 1 right, 40, short 6 right past the lane, mid over 130, long hairpin left at the tower, up.
In a bit on that 6.
Yeah.
For the tower.
Very long flat 2 right, into easy small crest and 6 right, 4 left past the lane, and late 6 right past junction, opens to flat 2 right, and 1 left, 40, crest 4 left down, into very long 2 right, slowing late hairpin left. There she is, slippy, narrow exit, into 1 right, 60, flat 2 left, 60, long 3 right over crest, hold, 60, 4 right, and easy 2 left, slowing, 40 turn late, hairpin right. 60, 4 left, continues, slowing into hairpin left down, the one we looked at last night. 4 left keeps on going, hairpin left. And late 8 right, opens to very long 4 right, okay. 80, 1 left, 80, turn 8 right over mud, logging. Into short 8 right again. Into 4 left up, and long flat 2 right, and flat 1 left over crest, 40, crest into hold 5 left slippy. Flat 1 left over crest, 100 through the finish, 4 right. You through?
Back brakes going long all the way.
Yeah.